Welcome to InvestorWeb, the premier channel for professionals seeking to amplify their earning potential. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a cornerstone of professional success, yet often overlooked: soft skills. These are the intangible qualities that enable us to navigate our work and personal lives with grace, tact, and diplomacy. In a world where technical skills are increasingly accessible, soft skills have emerged as a crucial differentiator in today's competitive business environment. They're the hidden force that can propel your career forward, opening doors and creating opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. We've identified 10 soft skills that, when mastered, can significantly boost your earning potential. These skills range from communication and teamwork to creativity and emotional intelligence. And the best part? They're all skills that can be learned and honed regardless of your profession or industry. Today, we will walk you through these 10 essential soft skills that could be a game changer in your career. The first skill we're going to discuss is communication. At its core, communication is the exchange of information and ideas. But in a professional setting, it's so much more. It's the foundation upon which relationships are built, projects are managed, and decisions are made. Picture this: a well-oiled machine, each part working in harmony with the other. That's what good communication can do for a team or an organization. It ensures everyone is on the same page, understands their role, and knows exactly what's expected of them. It eradicates confusion, fosters collaboration, and fuels productivity. But let's not forget, communication isn't a one-way street. It's not just about talking or sending out emails. It's also about listening, actively listening, and understanding what others are saying. It's about acknowledging their views and responding in a way that promotes open dialogue and mutual respect. Remember, good communication is more than just speaking. It's about listening and understanding as well. Moving on, our second skill is teamwork. You've probably heard the phrase, "No man is an island." That's because in almost every professional setting, working together as a team is an essential skill. It's all about leveraging the strengths of each team member to achieve a common goal. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each musician plays a different instrument, but when they all play together, they create a beautiful harmony. That's the power of teamwork. The same applies in the business world. Teamwork fosters creativity, drives innovation, and leads to better problem solving. It also promotes a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect, making the work environment more enjoyable and productive. In essence, teamwork is the glue that holds an organization together. It allows for the pooling of individual strengths and the sharing of responsibilities. It's a skill that can significantly boost your earning potential. After all, teamwork makes the dream work, as they say. The third skill on our list is problem solving. Now you might be wondering, how does problem solving relate to my earning potential? Well, let's delve into this. In any given work environment, unexpected situations are bound to arise. It could be a sudden change in a project's scope, a missed deadline, or a challenging client. In such instances, problem-solving skills come into play. This involves identifying the issue, brainstorming possible solutions, and implementing the most effective one. However, problem-solving is not just about fixing issues, it's also about identifying opportunities for improvement. A keen problem solver constantly looks for ways to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and ultimately enhance the bottom line. By demonstrating your ability to tackle challenges head-on and turn them into opportunities, you become an invaluable asset to your team. Your contributions do not go unnoticed, and over time can lead to opportunities for advancement and salary increases. Being a problem solver not only makes you an asset to your team, but it also boosts your earning potential. Next up is adaptability. In an ever-evolving business landscape, nothing remains static. Industries pivot, technologies advance, and market trends shift. Being adaptable isn't just about going with this flow, it's about anticipating these changes, embracing them, and using them to your advantage. Imagine you're a surfer. The ocean is the business world. The waves are the changes in this world. Now, a surfer doesn't fear the waves, they welcome them. They use the energy of each wave to propel themselves forward. That's adaptability in action. It's about learning new skills, adopting new approaches, and staying open to new ideas. It's about being flexible when things don't go as planned. It's about thriving in uncertainty and turning challenges into opportunities. When you demonstrate adaptability, you become an invaluable asset to any organization. You become the one who not only survives change, but drives it. Remember, in the business world, change is the only constant. Now, let's talk about time management. A skill that is paramount, yet often overlooked. Time management is more than just a personal productivity tool. It is a strategic lever for enhancing your earning potential. Imagine a juggler expertly handling multiple balls in the air. That's what time management is about. Prioritizing tasks, knowing when to delegate, and understanding what to focus on. It's a symphony of decisions that can make your day efficient and productive. In the professional world, being known as someone who delivers on time every time is a reputation that can open doors and opportunities. It shows your reliability, your dedication, and your ability to keep pace with the demands of a fast-paced work environment. Moreover, good time management can reduce stress, increase job satisfaction, and provide a better work-life balance. Remember, every minute you save is a minute earned. Time is money, manage it wisely. The seventh skill on our list is leadership. Leadership is a multifaceted skill that can truly set you apart in the professional landscape. It's not merely about being in charge, it's about being able to guide a team towards a common objective. Strong leadership skills can elevate your career as you become the go-to individual for decision-making, conflict resolution, and strategic planning. Leadership is also about creating an environment that encourages productivity and innovation. It's about fostering a culture where everyone feels valued and heard. When you exhibit genuine leadership, you not only make your team better, you make your organization better. And let's not forget, companies value strong leaders. They are often willing to pay a premium for individuals who can lead their teams effectively. So, investing in your leadership skills can certainly increase your earning potential. Leadership is about inspiring others to deliver their best. Next, we have negotiation. A skill that often goes under the radar. Negotiation is a vital soft skill that can significantly boost your earning potential. Why, you ask? Well, think about it. Whether you're vying for a better salary, securing a lucrative business deal, or even resolving internal conflicts, negotiation skills are at play. In the business world, negotiation is like a delicate dance. It's about finding the sweet spot between what you desire and what the other party is willing to offer. It's not about winning or losing, but rather about finding a mutually beneficial solution. A good negotiator knows how to listen, understand the other party's perspective, and communicate their own needs effectively. It's about diplomacy, persuasion, and strategic thinking. But remember, negotiation isn't about being manipulative or deceitful. It's about honesty and understanding, about finding common ground. A good negotiator knows how to strike a balance between compromise and advantage, and that, my friends, can make all the difference. Our ninth skill is creativity. Creativity, often associated with the arts, is incredibly valuable in the corporate world as well. It's the catalyst for innovation, the engine that drives problem solving, and the spark that ignites new ideas. In a professional setting, creativity isn't about painting a masterpiece or composing a symphony. It's about looking at things from a different perspective, finding unique solutions to complex problems, and having the courage to take calculated risks. Creativity is not confined to the design department. It's required in every facet of a business, from marketing's compelling campaigns to IT's effective software solutions, and from HR's employee engagement strategies to sales' persuasive pitches. It's the creative thinkers who can see beyond the status quo, challenge conventions, and drive change. So flex your creative muscles. Start questioning, start imagining, and start innovating, because creativity is not just about ideas, it's about making things happen. Finally, we have emotional intelligence. This soft skill is a game changer when it comes to navigating the professional landscape. Emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EQ, is the ability to understand, manage, and use emotions in a positive way to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. It's about more than just having feelings. It's about harnessing those feelings and using them to enrich your interactions and decisions. Imagine a colleague comes to you overwhelmed and frustrated. If you're emotionally intelligent, you won't just brush off their concerns. Instead, you'll empathize with their situation, offering support or advice. Similarly, when faced with a difficult decision, an emotionally intelligent person doesn't rely solely on logic. They incorporate their feelings into the decision-making process, leading to more balanced and thoughtful outcomes. In essence, emotional intelligence is about using your heart as much as your head. So those are the 10 soft skills you need to boost your earning potential. To recap, we've talked about the power of communication, the strength in teamwork, the necessity for problem solving, the importance of adaptability, the need for efficient time management, the impact of leadership, the art of negotiation, the spark of creativity, and the depth of emotional intelligence. Each of these soft skills is a vital asset in its own right, but together they form a formidable toolkit that can significantly enhance your professional standing. Remember, the world is ever-changing, and so should your skill set. Continuous learning and skill development are not just buzzwords. They are the keys to career advancement and ultimately to a higher earning potential. So never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop investing in yourself. You are your most valuable asset. Thank you for joining us at Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights to boost your earning potential. Until next time, keep investing in yourself.